Okay, so how do we solve this? Since this x squared has no coefficient, so we assume that the coefficient is 1. So we use the coefficient of this x squared first to multiply minus 28. So 1 times minus 28 will give us minus 28. So what do we do? Now, we are going to find the factors of 28 that will multiply to give us minus 28. When they add or subtract, they give us minus 3. Now, first, let's just find the factors of 28. Now, factors of 28 is 1 times 28. 28, 2 can times 14 to give us 28. Can 3 go? No. 4 can go, yes. 4 times 7 will give us 28. 5 cannot go. 6 cannot go. 7 is already here. So these are the factors of 28. Do you understand me? So now, which of these factors can add or subtract to give us 3? Even if you add these two, you are going to get 29. If you subtract, you are going to get 27. If you add these two, you're going to get 16. If you subtract, you're going to get 12. If you add these two, you're going to get 11. If you subtract them, you can get 3. If you subtract them, you can get 3. Good. So now, we know that this particular one can go. So another thing you have to do here is that now, this is just the factors of just 28. But we need a factors of minus 28, which means these numbers have to carry signs. Is that understood? These numbers have to carry signs. So what are we going to put? What signs are these numbers going to carry that when they multiply, they are going to give us minus 28? And when they add or subtract, they are going to give us minus 3. So the best thing to do for two numbers to multiply to give you a negative answer, one has to be positive and one has to be negative. And for you to sum two numbers together to get a negative answer, it simply means that the bigger number has to be negative. So because of that, we're going to use plus 4 and minus 7. We have agreed that we are going to use 4 and 7. But how do we arrange this so that we get minus? Because this 4 and 7 alone will give us only 28. But the number we have here is minus 28. So they have to carry a sign in order to be able to multiply and give us a negative number. One has to be positive and one has to be negative. And for us to get 3 minus